There's work to be done. The kind of work that starts before the sun comes up. The kind of work that keeps everything running and everybody moving. The kind of work that comes with a little risk and a lot of reward. I'm talking about hard work, skilled work, essential work. The kind of work that gets overlooked because it takes place behind the walls, underneath the concrete, and high above our heads. That's the work that matters most. But you already knew that. Because you're the ones who do it. Day in and day out, you set the standard. You make the big things, the small things, and everything in between. Because there's a secret to getting the job done right. And you've known that secret your whole life. Don't just work. Do good work.